In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur background in Slack Huddle. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where the setting lives in Slack, what it does, and how to turn it on so your background is automatically blurred whenever you join a huddle with your camera. Let's get started inside the Slack desktop app or the browser version, since that's where these settings are easiest to find. Look toward the very top left corner of your Slack window. You'll see your workspace name and, just above or next to it, your profile picture. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. This is where Slack keeps a lot of your personal settings and account options. When you click your profile picture, a small menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled Preferences. This is the main area where you can control how Slack looks, behaves, and handles things like notifications, language, and of course, audio and video. Click on Preferences to open up the full settings window. Once the Preferences window is open, you'll see a list of categories along the left-hand side. Take a moment to scan that list and find the section called Audio and Video. This is where Slack stores all the settings related to your microphone, speakers, camera, and video behavior. Click on Audio and Video to open that section. Inside the audio and video settings, scroll if you need to until you find a heading that mentions When Joining a Huddle. This part controls what happens automatically every time you join or start a Slack huddle. Under this heading, you'll see an option that says something like, Blur your video background when you're in a huddle with your camera on. To enable background blur, simply check the box next to that option. As soon as you tick that box, Slack will remember your choice. From now on, whenever you join a huddle and turn your camera on, Slack will automatically blur whatever is behind you. This is especially helpful if you're working from a busy space, a shared area, or you just want a little extra privacy without turning your camera off completely. There's nothing else you need to save. Slack applies this change right away. You can close the Preferences window, start or join a huddle, and when you enable your camera, you should see your background nicely blurred while you remain in focus. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully turned on background blur for Slack huddles.